Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Discovery Corner. Today, we have an exciting video where we'll be reviewing the best dash cams of 2024. We've researched these amazing devices to help you enhance your driving experience and ensure your safety. Join us on this informative and fun journey as we explore the latest trends in the dashcam world and highlight the top models. You'll get the chance to discover which features are best suited for you. If you want to see more content on this topic and stay updated, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look forward to growing with you and continuing this journey together. Now, let's dive into the best dash cams. Best dash cam. Nextbase 622 gigawatts. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts stands out as the best dash cam available right now. It offers incredible video quality and a flagship feature set. In our tests, the 4K 30 FPS footage was almost cinematic, providing clear definition and exceptional detail. Algorithms designed for low light and poor weather conditions further enhance results in challenging scenarios. Additionally, at 1080p resolution, the 622 GW can shoot at 120 FPS, making it easy to identify details like license plates. While the setup process can be a bit complex and the 3-inch touchscreen requires precise swipe motions, overall we found it to be user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and the large, sharp display contributes to overall ease of use. The camera automatically records footage when it detects an event, and a prominent red button allows for manual recording of notable moments. In our review, the built-in polarized filter that effectively reduces windshield reflections and the digital image stabilizer that absorbs road vibrations stood out. The 622 GW's What 3 Words integration can pinpoint the location of vehicles in distress and relay this information to emergency services. While there are more stylish designs and advanced voice control options available, if your priority is consistently clear 4K video recording, the Nextbase 622 GW is our top recommendation. Best budget dash cam, Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is an extremely compact dash cam that can comfortably hide behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its small size, it offers full HD recording at 30 FPS with HDR, capturing clear images regardless of ambient light and weather conditions and ensuring critical details like license plates are visible. Its setup is straightforward thanks to the compact plastic mount that takes up minimal windshield space and the ball and socket joint that allows for easy repositioning. Because of its small size, many users might prefer to leave the Mini 2 permanently installed. The interface is user-friendly even without a screen. Shortcut buttons allow for one-touch clip recording and microphone muting. The Garmin Drive smartphone app, compatible with both iOS and Android, serves as a hub for adjusting settings, reviewing recordings, and checking the camera's view, making the initial setup a breeze. The Mini 2's features are limited to voice control and a G sensor that detects collisions, and the lack of GPS is a major downside. However, for those not seeking advanced driver assistance features, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers a minimalist yet reliable solution. This device perfectly embodies the essence of simple, straightforward, and dependable technology. Best Smart Integrated Dash Cam, Nextbase IQ, Smart Dash Cam. The Nextbase IQ stands out as an incredibly sophisticated smart surveillance camera for your vehicle, offering a comprehensive range of features. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K variants, this dash cam provides a premium solution with its connected feature set. This includes parking assistance, voice-activated witness mode, and the ability to monitor your vehicle remotely via the Nextbase IQ app. It comes with GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. All versions include an interior camera, with an optional rear unit also available. An active subscription is required to unlock the full potential of features like cloud storage, real-time notifications, and AI-powered driver assistance modes. While this makes the IQ a relatively costly investment, it delivered impressive performance in our tests. Setup was simple, and the app provided easy access to its numerous features. The 4K review unit delivered excellent video and audio quality as expected. Powered directly from the vehicle's battery, the system remains active even when the engine is off. It may be overkill for many road users, But if you're looking for a comprehensive, smart, integrated camera to keep your vehicle under constant surveillance, the Nextbase IQ is an exceptionally smart choice. Conclusion. And that brings us to the end of our video. Today, we reviewed the best dash cams of 2024 and explored the unique features of each. We hope that by introducing these amazing devices, we've helped you find the dash cam that best suits your needs. If you enjoyed and found our video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you can stay informed about our future videos and keep up with the latest developments in the tech world. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Don't hesitate to share your favorite dash cam or any other topics you'd like to see in the comments. Let's continue to grow together. Thank you, and see you in the next video.